Best stylish winter outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. Brown jacket with white pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 2. White hoodie with white pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 3. Black overcoat with black pant and black shoes. Outfit number 4. Brown sweatshirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Outfit number 5. White jacket with white pant and black sneakers. Outfit number 6. Black hoodie with white pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 7. Brown jacket with black pant and white sneakers. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.